Ever wonder why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle despite earning more? The answer often lies in a single concept: opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend is a dollar you can't invest, save, or use for something potentially more valuable. Picture this: you're tempted to buy a $400 gadget. It feels like a treat and you've got the cash. But pause, what's the hidden cost? If you invested that $400 with a modest return, in 10 years it could grow to over $800. That's the real price tag of your impulse buy. Not just what you pay today, but what you give up tomorrow. Wealthy individuals internalize this equation deeply. They don't just ask, can I afford this? But what am I sacrificing by choosing this now? This habit doesn't mean never enjoying life, but it does mean being intentional and thoughtful. Each spending decision is carefully weighed against the best alternative use of that money. The result? Small mindful choices compound over time into significant financial freedom. That's the true power of understanding opportunity cost and how it shapes your financial future.